Assalamu alaikum VS. Today our topic is dominance or the emphasis. It's a principle of art. Let's start to know the meaning of the emphasis. Emphasis means to give value or to give special importance or the stress. Emphasis we use in the art to change the meanings of something or to change the meaning of what is said. Definition of the emphasis we can explain in the words that it is the use of the visual elements to draw attention to a certain area, and that area is usually a focal point in an artwork. It is a special attention to put on something to give it importance. For example, we bold the font of a particular word in a document to bring the attention to it, or we use emphasis in the art to attract the viewer's attention to a particular area or to the particular object. This is typical the focal point or the main subject of the art. We use the emphasis in the art by the following methods or by the following elements. First one is the isolation. Isolation means to separate a piece or to separate the something by separating the subject from the other distracting elements and placing it against a plain background. The viewer is left with nothing else to focus on. In drawing and painting, this means not adding anything that does not add or emphasize the subject or the purpose. Isolation is an element of the emphasis. Number two, we can also create the emphasis through the leading lines like the arrows, similar triangulars, the lines. These lines into a special direction and the points towards create something leading the eye in that direction. When the multiple elements converge toward a point, examples such as lines going back into the perspective, they can create an even greater pull of the attention in that direction. We can also create the emphasis through the size, and the larger it is, the more visual weight it will have and the more clearly it will be visible. Enlarge what is important so the viewer can connect with it. Placement, an element placed front and the center will comfort the viewers, and else being equal a third of the way in from any border can be visually pleasing place to locate something of the importance. Framing, just a picture frames set of a painting from the wall and calls attention to the artwork. Similar elements with an artwork can help directly to receive the attention. Anomaly Anomaly means a single square in a repeating pattern of the circles will stand out. It's not like the everything else. It does not blend in. It's break the pattern. This can call attention and add interest. In something perfectly flat, smooth, white, our eyes will always be drawn to the one little flaw, the pencil scratch, the rough spot, the wrinkle. Anomaly can also be created by just opposing things that are not normally seen together, or depicting scenes that invert or the alter the everyday.